It's the Watkins explosion. Yeah, these are all my Watkins piled on the floor right now. And yeah, wow. Yeah, it's pretty big. Yeah. So, awesome. Bye.